Is gold about to break out? Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets, and trading is the most hardest thing you'll ever do, and it takes a long time to become a good trader. So this video is just educational only. If you're struggling with your trading right now, then click on the very first link in the description and get learn a free training, the 7 universal laws to become a master trader that will boost your success, consistency, and confidence without spending a decade trying to figure it out. Click on the very first link in the description right now. All right, traders, I want to do a quick update on gold and silver for you. Yesterday I did an update. Let's go start with silver here first. I did an update saying, you know, that there's a big head and shoulder formation here. Oh, it actually looks like there's a pretty big, massive head and shoulder formation here built in with that. So Mike, Mike, my man, you're probably watching this video right now. You said, John, that can't be a big head and shoulder formation because this, because that. A big bottoming formation generally has a head and shoulder within the head and shoulder and blah, 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 and blah, 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 and blah, blah, blah. Yeah, you know what, Mike? You may be right and you may be wrong too. But guess what this is here? Oh, look at the head and shoulder formation. Oh, and look what we have here. We have a big shoulder here, and a big head here, and a big shoulder here. Oh, look, what do we have here? Oh, look, we have a shoulder, head, and shoulder formation. There we have a shoulder, head, shoulder there as well too. You know, we could class this as a bit of a head and shoulder formation as well too within that head and shoulder formation. Come on, Mike, seriously? I thought, there you go, Mr. Troll Mike. All right, so big head, there's a head and shoulder formation here, and that's what you want to keep an eye for on this weekly chart, because this weekly chart to me is still very strong. So you don't want to be going against that here, and I do believe we're likely to see a nice rally back up towards this $19 level at least there. The 1850, and then I think overall, once that happens, then we're just off to the races on some big movement there. Moving on now to gold. Gold is doing the same thing, as you can see here, right? Gold has a big, massive head and shoulder formation here, big, massive V bottom through here. And you can see we're just tapping at that resistance here. This is the weekly chart here, but we're tapping at that resistance there. And now we go back to the gold chart. You can actually see, or the gold daily chart, should I say, and you can see what's happening through here. This last few months, we're actually high, low, holding this high here. If we do go for another run to this resistance up here, that's the gold and silver. This gold chart is probably going to be the last time it goes there, because it's probably going to break past it and then continue up from where it is right now. So that big move is likely to come out of gold, and once that happens, then we're likely to see some pretty big upside. So if we just start to challenge this 1370 level there on silver and gold again, I believe we're likely to break that level, and once that happens, then I think we can start to see some pretty big movement in the silver and gold market.